some people are already backing out.
That's a lot of people that showed up for the condition.
We had a little issue here with a flat tire. One more. Oh yeah. Ian, one more time.
If it looks good, I did it. If it looks terrible,
Welcome back to the main machine. Welcome back to a rainy Saturday with a car event that we committed to and we're sticking with. Only because we're inside, right? We're inside, right, Manny?
Yes. I'm not cool, but I love y'all.
I love it that you're here with caffeine for all of us.
Oh, wait, can you, I'm supposed to be at work.
Oh, he's not, no, I'm not, sorry, you're not being edited out of this video, and you're staying in it. Thank you, Indigo, for showing up on this wonderful rainy day. Hey, it adds for character, I think it does. Obviously, so I was learning from the car people that, well, not even the car people, the creatives, the photographers, the videographers, that it's still gonna be pretty dang sweet. Free car washes? You want one? Oh my gosh!
do it. Go wax
How
on.
shiny is it, sir? Is it looking good? Oh, you know what? I think I do a better job than Texas TA. You should follow me on Instagram. Oh, world's first. Yours perfect. Looking good. Oh, that thing is sexy. What do you guys think? Lots of carbon fiber. I'm happy. There are a lot of awesome people that showed up during this rainy weather. Seth, S2KO. Happy anniversary to these two.
Thank you. 6 years.
Dry ice. No shit.
Yeah, I know.
Dry ice DJ Bros. S2KO. I love it. Oh yes, give me a little bit. Can I? Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Love that. I can't wait to go for a ride.
Yes.
Coming soon.
Yes.
Vlog coming soon. Be safe. We still got cars coming in. We got the SF90 pulling in over here. We got you, man. Oh. Trying to get you, bro. Hey, Trey, Credit Force showing up. Insurance Lord coming through. We're in the middle of the meet. We had cars still showing up. Sun came out. Rain is coming. See if we can get them to rev it.
What do you want to do?
Can you rev it?
What up, part?
Hey, are you gonna rev Alright, we pulled it off. We got some cool cars with us. Thank you, Nick, the SF90, for showing up. And many thanks to my friend Imran here and his GT3 and Pista. That thing is a beautiful car. You got my Performante, you got Ronek and Collision Plus, and then this guy brought his car. I love it. CJ I don't know how to pronounce that, but we got it. This guy is killing me here. I'm like wondering what's going on. I love it. And then HD brought his freaking Slam GT3. We're gonna do some content together soon. Got a GTR. Oh, S2KO. S2KO. Let's see what we got here. We're gonna do some content with this guy coming soon too. And then she's gonna rev it. Rev it, rev it. You can rev it. I'd love to hear you rev it. S2KO and the S2000, love it. And then the BZ, we got Kayla and hers. And the BZ brought his R8. And this freaking RS6, oh my gosh. Slammed on those wheels. Tell me you don't like that. It's Evo, it's beautiful Evo. And then we had a little issue here with a flat tire, but Israel showed up. GT3 9000 GT3 RS is looking good in his 720, but unfortunately it had an issue with that flat tire. We got a nice little Man in the Machine logo here. Going with a hat. We gotta admire the fact that he's hiding a cracked windshield right there on his STO. Beautiful car though, right? Beautiful STO. Congrats, Israel, on your sub-20 Huracan. But let's walk over here. We got Rolls Royce North, Mclaren Houston, Lamborghini Houston. Bringing some cars. C8 Corvette, nice orange color, kind of matches that Montage over here. And this Slam Lexus looks good, shifting colors, beautiful car. I'm a fan of the Slam car look. Eric's 765, Audi R8. Oh, another S2000. Oh, look at this S2000. Sweetness. And then Arco over here, and it's super fast. I'll take one more. I'm a kid at heart. Crispy. Tag him on the video. And Jazz Bin, I think her name is. Then we got Jorge, Coffee and Cars, Carrera Coffee, the Evolution Evo, huh? What'd you say?
It's so hard to film now.
Really?
There were like just people. There's like 40 people falling down behind with phones.
It is.
You know, you gotta do what you gotta do.
We're gonna rev, but it's hard to film with
For the clout.
with revving and everybody pulling out their phone. It's Fat Family, really. Look at this Alpina. Oh my gosh, this thing is beautiful, sexy. Just trying to get a little bit of vlogging because he's gonna be my B-roll. Are you okay with that, Richard?
No.
Damn it! Wait. It's not copyright if we're
Alright, this is your meat.
we're partners.
No, I got you. If it looks good, I did it. If it looks terrible,
It's gonna look phenomenal. I have no doubt in my mind. 911 Carrera. We got the BRZ, brand new BRZ. Look at that. Oh my gosh. GT500. This donut C8 or C5. Where's this handle? Donut C6. I said C5. I don't know my car. C6. That thing is slammed and looking good. Sexy. This Viper looks good too. I like the color. Is it a wrap? I think it's a wrap. Yep, it's a wrap. C8. Porsche GT3. Ooh, this guy here too. I just got a follow from him. The Kareem 10. Audi R8, what do you think? That thing is a beauty. A beautiful car. Look at those pipes. Love that extender. The color of that wrap is phenomenal. Then we got more cars. I think I missed a few over here. Let's see if I can get it before the battery dies. Thanks for coming. We got a turbo, eh? Oh, Auto junkie, Daryl, bringing his car. And Kraber, I gotta go back here. Beautiful. Oh, I gotta go back here because I missed this guy. Arturo bringing his 765. That blue, that baby blue. Oh yeah, that sounds good. There comes the revs. I think I'm gonna be able to close this out. Got, I don't know if I caught this, but before seeing Israel and his 720S and having a tire replaced by a mobile tire guy, I'm gonna have to get that guy's contact. And then the insurance store here, Performante, is sexy. So beautiful. I'm happy. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you everyone for showing up who was watching. Thank you media folks for being awesome. And that's a wrap. Smash subscribe, hit the like, turn on the notifications. We out.